Hermes has a Playboy scarf. I've nicknamed the Sugar Daddy scarf. I actually found out I wasn't that far off. Here is the story behind it. Every Hermes scarf is designed by an artist commissioned by Hermes to design a scarf. This one was designed by Edmond Kiraz, whose designs regularly appeared in Playboy. In 1923 in Cairo, he actually started as a political cartoonist and moved to Paris and started working for a magazine on humorous cartoons. It looks very similar to these women seen here on the scarf. I actually have the scarf here, so I'm going to put it on. He partnered with some different French brands that used his work in their ads, and only for about a year he produced these dolls that look exactly like his cartoons and also like the scarf. This is one of the ads and one more. By being released for only about a year, they gained a pretty iconic cult following. And in 1970 is when he started working for Playboy, did a monthly cartoon. Here's one. In 2012 is when his scarf was released with Hermes. Lots of different variations. It was re-released in 2019 over the Ex Libris pattern. He ended up passing away in 2020. He's 96 years old. So if you like his story and you like his work, take a look at some of his scarves. I love all of the girls and I love knowing the story behind it.